Good Tuesday afternoon, everybody. Come on in. It's time to get some food on the stove. As you can see, I got some water boiling. That's for rice. I'm going to do some pot of rice because I'm making just some real quick beef stew in my Ninja Foodi today. It should take no more than about 45 minutes, I guess. And of course, that rice, we're just cooking it right according to the instructions on the bag. I've had to go back to Uncle Ben's rice, y'all. I could not find any, oops, I don't want to break my lid. Okay, there we go. I couldn't find any jasmine rice. I still got to go seek out some jasmine rice, get back to it, because y'all know how I love the jasmine rice. Now, what I'm going to be using today to cook for my beef stew, this is some, these are beef short ribs. And so what I'm going to do is go ahead, I'm going to put them in, this is not like a pressure cooker, but this is a pressure cooker. So, they're going to be going into the pressure cooker. And I'm going to start them out with about 45 minutes because the meat is not all that, it's not big bulky meat, it's sort of thin if you ask me. And what I did, I cut them into almost like a couple bites. These are beef short ribs, okay, and they're cut thin. So I've got 2 pounds of those. I'm going to be putting into my crock pot, so to speak, or my pressure cooker. Let's turn that right down, and it's going to be just real quick and simple the way I want to do it. So what I do is everything is going to go into the pot pretty much except the potatoes. I'll come back after the meat is pretty much cooked, and I'll put the potatoes in last. I'm going to use a medium onion because I don't have a lot of meat, just 2 pounds. I'm just going to slice that onion over here in our pot. We'll get over here in the pot in just a second. Hope you all are having a God bless Tuesday afternoon. It's beautiful here today, and you know those what they call those boom tornadoes, I think is what they're calling them. They are out and about, and we got weather across the country. It's coming through here. Came through North Carolina last night. We just got some rain, not a lot of anything much other than rain, but it was a pretty good amount of rain, which kind of left some little puddles on the street. So we're just watching out for these storms as they come in. So, of course, again, we got to continue to pray without ceasing, folks, because we never know what that rain is going to bring in. So let's get over here into this pot and show you. I've got my green peppers and onions sliced in there, and this is my 2 pounds of beef in there, the beef short ribs. And what I'm going to do, I'll show you my seasoning. I'm just going to kind of mix that around in there like so. Okay. And it shouldn't take any more than about an hour, hour and a half for this meal to cook. Let's see if we can get the camera up. If I can get it to cooperate with me. Let's see. I hope I don't knock it off this. No, there it goes. I think it's gonna do okay. So it almost want to just lay right over in there. So that's about as good as I'm gonna get it for right this minute. So what I'm going to do, and I've got these potatoes to put in there, which is about a couple pounds of potatoes. I am going to put some of I got some roast beef gravy mix. I'm going to put about a half of this package. I'm putting this in there for seasoning and for the gravy. Put that in there, about a fourth of a package of that in there. And I'm going to put just a little bit of, I don't have any more complete seasoning in there, so I'm substituting my complete seasoning. I will put me some kitchen bouquet in there. You know, the kitchen bouquet is going to help to color it. Ooh, so I didn't, okay. put a little bit of kitchen bouquet in there. I'm going to put about, let's see, I'm going to just about cover it. About 4 cups of water, I think. Let's see, this is, we'll go ahead and pour 1. Actually, that wasn't 1 cup. That was actually, let's see, that's a 2.5 cup size of water. So we're going to put, I think, yeah, 3 cups of water. About 3 cups of water is what I got in there to start it with. And I'm just going to go ahead and get it stirred up good. And I've got some of that Lipton onion soup mix. Okay. Got everything. You know, basically this is like crock pot cooking, y'all. So, get everything in. Let me see. Where? Okay. I got about 1/4 of a pack of that Lipton onion soup mix. Get it stirred in there right good. We'll have us a nice little pot once we get the, I'll throw some carrots in there in a few minutes. I guess y'all trying to figure out what kind of camera angle does she have going on today, honey? Let's see if we can get us a better shot. Sorry about that, y'all. See if I can get a better shot with the other camera stand. There we are back. Got a different camera stand that cooperates a little bit better than the last one did. But anyway, we got everything in the pot now. 2 pounds of those beef short ribs, or it could be beef. In fact, I've got some actual stew beef out there, but I'm saving that for another time. And I need to get this package. I like to try to rotate my meats as much as I possibly can. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead. Sure, I think that's going to be enough water in there. Maybe I'll pour a little bit more of my gravy mix. And I don't think it'll be too salty. If I need to add more, I can always go back and add more. I'm going to sprinkle about a teaspoon of garlic powder in there, of course. And a couple teaspoons of onion powder. Okay. And I'm going to put a dash of Gold Mountain seasoning in there. That just gives that little extra added, and of course some turmeric. Squirt of my Gold Mountain. And about a teaspoon of turmeric. Turmeric's always good. Good to you and good for you. I thought I had some celery. Normally I would put celery in there, but I don't have any celery. So we're not going to worry our little heads about the celery, since we don't have any. So I'm just going to go ahead and give it a nice little stir. I think we got everything in there now that needs to be in there. When it cooks up, hopefully it'll be nice and thick. And if it's not thick enough as far as the gravy part is concerned, then I shall put some more of the gravy. But I don't want to get it too thick right now, because I need for it to cook. You know what I'm saying? Just a little. I'm doing this for taste. Okay. Just for taste. Okay. That's it. Now I'm going to go ahead and put the lid down and turn it on. I'm going to put it on for 45 minutes to start with, and then I'll come back and adjust it. And I'm sure I might have to put it a little bit longer, so let's get this camera out of the way. I can leave it sort of like that. And get my lid over here. Y'all know I burnt my lid up. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna put my pressure cooker. I call it a pressure cooker. I know I'm going to keep calling it a pressure cooker. I'm going to put my lid on. I'm putting it on backwards as usual. Okay. Trying the other way, Peggy. There it goes. Did y'all hear beep, 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 beep? So when we hear beep, we know we got it on properly. So we got it on here, and we are going to do pressure cook it. And let's see, how much time do I need on here? Okay. Okay, so we're going to put time on for pressure cook. Okay, anyway, I'm going to put it on for 45 minutes, and after 45 minutes, I'll come let y'all sneak a peek in the pot. Okay, y'all, the beef stew is ready. This is Ninja crock pot beef stew, leftover green beans, and of course rice. So beef stew, green beans, and rice. That's it, y'all. Keep those prayers going up now so the blessings will continue to come down. Pray without ceasing. Do something kind for somebody. Go in the kitchen, cook you some good old food. Get it going on, y'all. This beef stew was really, every meat just cooked to pieces, but it is really gonna be good. I'm looking forward to a plate because I'm hungry. I am hungry. Guess I should have got a bigger spoon for the rice. You can get a bigger spoon over there if you need to.
No, that's fine.
Okay. So Cream's digging in. We're gonna eat early today instead of, we usually eat so late. But we're going to eat early today. But anyway, this Ninja Foodi cooks really well. Cooked that beef stew in about a good hour and a half. And of course, I went back in there and thickened the gravy with a little flour water. Y'all know how to do that. Because that gravy pack that I used did not thicken all that well. But I went back in there. Of course, you see I put the potatoes in. Those nice little potatoes are wonderful, y'all. As I was saying, y'all, keep those prayers going up so the blessings will continue to come down. And again, this meal was real quick and easy. 1 hour, y'all. This is just quick and easy. The green beans were left over from another time, so I didn't have to cook more green beans. In fact, from Sunday. But the beef stew, 1 hour. I promise, start to finish. Steam that rice, and it's ready to go. Listen, for anybody that's in harm's way for the storm, please be safe, be careful, listen out for the alerts. I know that weather's hitting up north again, up New Jersey, way up in that area. And it's supposed to be coming northeast, which we live in the east. So we've had some rain, but all is well. So we're praying that everybody that's affected by this storm will be safe. So keep those prayers going up now so the blessings will come down. Until I decide to cook again, love you guys. Toodles.